Today is another day in our vlog, and still surviving, still there. Thank you so much for everyone who's on my videos, encouraging ones. I really love it, and you made me cry last night. Yeah, I was reading all your comments, and it actually make me a little bit of emotional, but I think that's normal. Well, today I'm gonna make our dinner, and I'd like to show you. I don't know how it's gonna turn up, but it's a made up. I'm tired of grilling outside. It's so hot, and I thought of just cooking my steak in the pan with some spices that I made up and slow cook until it is grilled almost grilled looking steak. So here I show you. So this is my steak. I blend olive oil, garlic, rosemary, basil. I put some pepper, and I added soy sauce in it, and some red wine vinegar. So I just made up the recipe. I have a little bit of brown sugar in it, so we'll see how it's gonna turn up, what will be the taste after. Then I'm gonna match it with a white sauce pasta. So everything I do in my kitchen is all made up. I don't have any recipe for you, but we'll see how it's gonna taste. I'm gonna ask Zoe to have a taste with my cooking. So I bought this in Aldi, and we will see. I have some, I think I'm gonna use white sauce today. So it's gonna be butter, flour, and milk. I'll see if I have some sausages that I can add, but I already have the steak, so I don't know if I needed any sausages. But I have a lot of cheese, Parmesan cheese, that I could add, so it's gonna be a cheesy, white, creamy pasta today. By the way, so today I have a canceled appointment. So etong customer na to, he is in the Northwest Community Hospital. This is the third time na I noticed na parati niyang kinakancel yung first appointment namin. Sabi, Angie, I don't know if we booked today, or did I just miss, or did I forget, but today is not a good day. So the last time I called him, I said, hey, I'm planning to visit your location, and I'd like to know when. He said the 13th. So today is the 13th. So kailangan ko mag-reschedule, but I do have 2 sales today. No, I had a sale yesterday. It was one of the university in Indiana. Then I had a sale today, which is a bearing company. And then I have another one, which is a new customer. He owned a carpet cleaning company. So bibili siya ng pang-clean ng carpets. So ganyan po. Sometimes, you know, it's a good day. Sometimes it's not. You know, when it rains, it pours. But pagka wala talaga, as in zero. So I'm gonna show you you know, some of the goodie bags that I prepped last Sunday, and you know, to give you an idea how I, you know, entice my buyers and how I get attention into new businesses, kasi kailangan natin ng new business to grow our business too. So ginagawa ko yan every weekend, and every Monday I plan my routes Tuesday to Friday, and I have to see a minimum of 25 customers plus cold calling. So yung cold calling, doon ko ginagamit yung goodie bags ko. So I'll show you the video somewhere in between here, how I prep my bags. And you know, it's just simple. I don't know if you know, any one of you here are sales rep, but that's how I do mine. So I keep getting repeat customers, and I keep getting new accounts para hindi tayo mabukya. Kasi not all buyers buy every month. Sometimes they buy every 3 months. So you have to have like an alternate customers na who buys every now and then. So minsan bumibili sila once a year. You know, minsan mo lang sila makikita. Minsan mo lang sila you know, although you are seeing them, you know, once or twice a month, minsan every 2 months, makikita mo sila, but you know, they're not ready to buy. Kasi hindi naman, sometimes, you know, yung mga projects nila, hindi kailangan ng mga ganung karaming produkto. So that's why my business, I like to have manufacturing, kasi money is flowing. Hospitals, schools, universities, and then the municipalities, kasi may budget, pagkaganyan. So those are the line of businesses that I I target. So, marami akong mga ganun. Construction companies actually are my main buyers here. Kasi may pera, mayroong perang pumapasok. So, that's guys. While I'm doing this, I will show you the video that I did last Sunday to prep my week this week. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare my goodie bags for the next week. So I'll start with this. This is a sanitizer. Pocket sanitizers. Scrub and clean. It is a wipes that is textured. Scrub and clean. Actually, if you have tools that are greasy, oily, anything that has like soil in it, scrub and clean is one of our best wipes. Swipes. Swipes is one of our hand towels that you don't need to make your hands wet. It has 5 proprietors, 5 skin conditioners. So if you are looking for something that would how can I say, to clean your hands that without transferring it to your skin, without transferring it to your hands, Swipes is the best product for you. All-Star wipes. All-Star wipes, if you have ink, oil, anything that's like paint, glue, sealant in your hands, All-Star wipes is the best wipes that you can take. Now, our best-selling gloves. This gloves is an 8 mil. It is textured and you cannot break this apart. So when I say 8 mil, it covers up to this length of your arm. There are some gloves that are only 5 mil that covers up to here, 6 mil that covers only up to here, but 8 mil, it is very long and it covers the entire rest. And it has the beaded kind, where if you are working into something oily, you can easily grip it without sliding the tools away from your hand. My promotions, Mega Blast. So I'm promoting Mega Blast. Mega Blast is one of our degreaser, some of our solvent degreaser that is low in odor, non-flammable, non-chlorinated, and it dries quickly. So now what else? I put my flyers inside. I do have products that I promote for the month of August, and we are promoting our best-selling degreasers for the month of August. I start with our Citrafoam. It is a foaming agent that would clean up in, anything. Assault, which is our heavy-duty degreasers. Our Safe Salt, which is a non-flammable solvent degreaser. Flutron, a heavy-duty cleaner degreaser as well. Mega Blast, which I just put in there, and our Prutos. And at the same time, I am promoting my top 23 products last year, which is very, very good product. And on the other side, I do have a lot of products that we carry in our in my my company. And also, we are accredited with all of this. So we are a awarded vendor. In tips, we are Goodbye, we're Kappa, we are we have GSA pricing, we're Ariba, and many more. Plus, I do added my barcode. So when they order, they have to scan my barcode and just shoot an order of code for me without calling my number. Okay, most importantly, if the person has no phone to scan my barcode, I do have business cards and I do have all the products that I carry. So to give you an idea what are the products that I sell. I sell anything for automotive. I sell drain and sewer maintenance. I sell floor maintenance, food service, HVAC, skincare, commercial cleaning, industrial specialties, insecticides, disinfectant and deodorants, lubricants, solvents and degreasers, weeds and turf specialties, equipments, safety products, gloves, wheat wipes, green products, and a specialty protein tire industry. So these are the products that we sell, and we do have over 500 products that we shoot that options for our customers. Just for like, for example, absorbent pads. We do have a lot of absorbent pads. Gloves, we do have different kinds of gloves depending on the cut. So all of this I have to learn by heart. So when the customers will ask me, I have something to shoot into them, and I have to think outside the box and be quick in the responses. And what's next? I'm gonna put additional candy bars, anything that I could find, like to put in my goodie bags, like a little bit of, sachets, energy drinks that I could add into the bag just to give them a little bit of, like a kid. You want something candy if you go to the party. That's okay. So here is our goodie bags. So it's like some chocolates in it, some energy drink in a stick, fruit bars, and it's just like an add up, to put in the bags. Okay, so if you're wondering how many customers I see in a week, I'm seeing about a minimum of 25, but if I do cold call businesses, I'm seeing 40 in a week. So if you guys wonder how I created all of these labels, actually I invested this tiny printer that I bought in Timo, and I use some of these tiny label stickers, so it's easy to peel, it's nicer, and it looks professional when you put all of this. I also have a clear type, but it's hard to peel off. This one is much more easier, so I use this one rather than the clear option, which is actually faster. So you have to think and be creative so you guys can attract more buyers. Kailangan lang talaga positive attitude natin para makasurvive tayo sa Amerika. Kasi pagka wala tayong survival spirit dito, mahuhomeless tayo, mawawalan tayo ng mawawalan tayo ng pang swipe. So ganyan. Hindi po kami ma-approve ng food stamp kasi in one household, nag-apply ako before, in one household, kailangan kino-combine yung income. So yung anak ko nagtatrabaho, ako nagtatrabaho, we will combine our income. Sobra siya doon sa poverty income na sinasabi, mas sobra. Kasi ang tinitingnan nila is net, hindi yung gross. So wala tayong food stamp. So kailangan natin magbanat ng buto. Yan nila yung income mo kasi nagre-report ka ng W2 mo, nagta-tax, then nakikita nila yung napupull out nila yung income mo. So hindi ka pwede makapag-lie. Ganyan. So wala tayong food stamp. Ganyan. With my daughter na meron nagsabi na i-apply ko siya ng disability. She's turning 19. She's over 18 years old. I check online, nag-browse ako. Hindi, kailangan daw 1 year. 1 year siya na walang recovery at walang, alam mo yun, parating ganun pa rin na hindi siya makapag-aral or hindi siya makapagtrabaho. Then she will qualify. So, sa ngayon, I don't wanna rush kasi ang daming stress. Papunta na siya ng Pilipinas, and I'm hoping na makarecover siya doon sa Pinas, and she will come off with it, and hopefully next school year she can enroll already. Ganyan guys, alam nyo, pandak ako, hindi ako matangkad, kaya okay, I'm gonna cook my pasta now.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy?
Ayan na siya. Pagkatapos ng sandali lang, mga kalahating oras, malambot na siya, oh. Kumain na nga ako. Pilit lang siya. So, para na siyang barbecue, ano. Tapos na. Tingnan natin to.
And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know.
Nilagay ko lang dito isang stick ng butter, 1 quart ng milk, depende po sa dami ng gusto mong gawin, and then mga 1/4 na all-purpose flour, salt to taste, and then naglagay lang ako ng Italian seasoning dito. Usually I'll put oregano, basil, but I have a fresh basil, so ilalagay ko po yung basil ko kung ako yung fresh. Gusto ko kasi yung parang may ganung lasa. Sometimes yung iba, salt and pepper, okay na. Sa akin kasi gusto ko may mga herbs pa. So ito guys, yung fresh basil ko, ilalagay natin. Masarap siya pagka may basil. So bago nyo ilagay yung pasta nyo, tikman nyo muna kung tama na yung lasa. Then, lagay nyo na yung pasta. I wash my pasta in a cold water para hindi ko siya magiging sticky. Ganyan. Okay, so andito na po yung pasta natin. Ilalagay natin ng kaunti-unti. Baka mamaya sobra ang sauce natin hindi magkasya. Nahulog lahat. Okay. Yan na. So, I turn my heat high, medium pala, para na mag-soak po yung sauce. Para hindi naman yung parang may sabaw-sabaw. And then, this is the time, I'm gonna add my cheese. Mas cheesy, mas masarap. O, diba? Ewan ko lang sa inyo kung nakatry kayo nito. Freestyle po ako dito sa kitchen ko. Wala akong pinapalo na recipe. Ayan, pagkalitan kayo what's the recipe. Hala. Hindi ko alam. Nagme-melt na po yung cheese natin. I'm gonna call Zoe to try and taste it. Siya ang nag-request ng pasta the other day. Hindi ko niluto. Sometimes I will add chili flakes kasi gusto ko yung parang may kick. Parang medyo may spices. And meron akong what can I say? Parmesan. I'm gonna add more parmesan in here aside from the other one. Kasi mas masarap pagka ito. O diba? Naglalaway na ako. Hindi ako kumain buong araw. So inantay ko talaga to para dire-diretso yung kain natin. Yan. I'll sprinkle more on the top. Para pagka may nagsandok, naglalaway ang cheese. That's it, guys. Yummy. Eto na siya. Ang sarap, oh. I'm gonna call Zoe to taste this one. Si Mellow natatakam. Okay, so I invited Zoe to taste, but I thought, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. What do you think the taste?
Huh?
What do you think is the taste? Huh?
Delicious.
Delicious? Okay. Mellow, you wanna taste too?
Can I eat now?
Eat now. Try. You have to twist it with your fork. Tell me what's the taste.
Delicious.
I pass the test.
Looks good and tastes good. You know it's a win.
That one is a made up. One to 10. What's your rate?
100.
Oh my God! Are you sure?
Wait,
Okay.
150.
With the beef.
All of it together is 150.
150%. I only asked for 10. So yummy. Okay. Do you want to finish the plate?
Can I have a drink?
What do you want to drink? I have pineapple, lemonade,
Watermelon
mango,
juice.
watermelon.
Yeah, I like watermelon juice. juice also.
Thank you for rating my food.
It looks delicious and it tastes delicious. Wait, I wonder what this tastes like. I once ate like a decoy. Once ate like a display leaf on a tiramisu one, and it actually tasted like mint. It was edible too. I had no sicknesses after that. It was I once also ate a leaf of a clover.
Ubus na po ni Zoe. Wala nang laman. Nasinop. By the way, shout out sa lahat po ng mga subscribers and sa lahat po ng mga nag-comment doon sa lahat ng mga videos ko. I'm reading them all. I can't say thank you enough to everyone. Salamat po sa mga lahat ng mga encouragement. You give me some ideas, some inputs. Give me courage. You give me some hope. Yun lang po ang nagustuhan ko sa inyo. Hindi ko po kayo, although hindi ko po kayo na-meet, hindi ko po kayo nakilala, sa ang sampad ng mundo man po kayo, I really appreciate you coming into my channel and giving me some word of advice. Hindi ko po yun mapapalitan. I'll try my best to go back into all the videos that I had and, you know, comment and respond into your questions. If your comment is not there, yung mga bastos na mga comments, naka-block po yan, tinatanggal po ni YouTube yan. So, it's not me who deleted it, it is YouTube who deleted it for me. So, huwag kayong ma-offend. So, be kind in your comments. I'm not offended kahit na bastusin nyo ako. It's who you are. So, it's not me. Thank you so much. Please keep on watching. And if you're new in my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button. We have more vlogs to come. I don't know what's coming tomorrow, but one thing, we are going in the weekend, we're going to go to a lake and have some fun with my family. See you guys.
Chasing waterfall.
Hello, friend.
Lola Ami is is shopping for you. What color beaches do you want? White, cream? Okay. They're gonna buy some bed. I think your room is upstairs. There's bathroom with hot and cold upstairs. And we'll see if I can get some air conditioner attached into the room, because Tiara is using the aircon. If you want to sleep with Tiara at night, you can. With Lola Ami. Do you know how to request transcript of records in offer? Huh? Probably have to call them. Did you see her? So I put this to cover so she won't see my phone behind the shelves. That's the only way I can take her video. Sneaky nanny.